Hello, I'm Dr. Jeff Zeig. I'm the founder and the director of the Milton H. Erickson Foundation in Phoenix, Arizona.
And I'm Dr. Julie Anné Zeig. I am the owner of a New Beginning Outpatient Treatment Center in Scottsdale, Arizona, and a faculty member of the Mayo Clinic School of Medicine.
And we want to talk with you today about a program that we'll be doing together in Japan.
We are so excited to be bringing a really unique 2-day demonstration workshop on our unique styles of psychotherapy.
So you'll see our complementary areas of interest and our areas of divergence. But the goal is helping the patient to empower him or herself and accomplish the goals that the patient have set.
We both really feel that the best way to learn how to do psychotherapy skills is to witness firsthand live demonstrations. And we're going to be doing that for a full 2 days.
This is living learning, not so much didactic learning about theory, research, and technique, but you live the psychotherapy session with us.
If you want to advance your skills further and want to get to see us work together, on August 17th and 18th. We would love to spend time with you.
Look forward to seeing you there.